The King and Queen faced the worst of the Norfolk weather this morning, as they headed to the Sunday church service at Sandringham. Both Charles and Camilla were armed with umbrellas as they made the short journey across the royal estate to St. Mary Magdalene Church. Sporting the beige woolen overcoat that he's famously owned for decades, the monarch kept warm and dry as he braved the Arctic temperatures that are currently sweeping across the UK. Meanwhile, Queen Camilla donned an elegant chocolate-brown dress coat with long brown boots and a fur-brimmed hat for the Sunday morning church visit, the couple's first of 2025. She also sheltered from the icy rain with an umbrella she's frequently seen using, a transparent, silver-handled dome brolly thought to be from Selfridges. In spite of the leaden skies above, the monarch and Queen Camilla looked in good spirits as they were greeted by members of the church's clergy, including the rector, Rev. Canon Dr. Paul Williams. However, the royal couple did appear to make a swift entrance into the service in a bid to outwit the freezing temperatures. The couple are currently residing on the Sandringham estate after spending Christmas at the Norfolk royal residence, as is tradition for the royals. The family attended a Christmas Day service at the same church, where they were greeted by crowds of well-wishers. Alongside the King and Queen, the Prince and Princess of Wales were also in attendance at Sandringham over the holidays. The Princess of Wales was seen walking around with her husband Prince William and their children, Prince George, Prince Louis and Princess Charlotte. Other members of the family, including Zara Tindall, Lady Louise and Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, also spent the holiday season in North Norfolk. The respite in Sandringham is likely much needed this year, with Queen Camilla recovering from a bout of pneumonia that saw her pare down public duties in the run-up to the festive season. And the King's battle with an undisclosed form of cancer also continues. It was revealed that Charles will continue to need treatment in 2025. A Buckingham Palace source has said the 76-year-old's health is still being managed but is moving in a positive direction. His Majesty intends to return to a full program of public duties in 2025. This will include exciting UK and international visits in the first half of the year, an insider said. His treatment has been moving in a positive direction. As a managed condition, the treatment cycle will continue into the new year, the palace source said. Before Christmas, Charles made a wry joke about his health condition when he was asked how he was doing at an event in East London. He went to a community event at Waltham Forest Town Hall in Walthamstow alongside his wife, Queen Camilla.